Hello, team! Look at the big desert! Oh, no! It's so hot and dry! The desert needs water fast!
Let's find the hidden oasis.
Tiny truck team, follow me! Excavator, dig for water!
Truck brings the water storage. Crane, lift the palm trees. Let's count our palm trees.
One palm tree. Lift.
2 palm trees. Plant. 3 palm trees. Lift.
4 palm trees. Plant.
5 palm trees. Perfect shade. Now, Excavator is digging deep.
1 dig. Deeper. 2 digs. Keep going. 3 digs. Oh, almost there.
Wait,
Look, the cool water is rising. Splish, splash, the oasis is back. It is so cool and wet now.
No more hot desert air.
We love the water.
Water is life.
Never give up. Teamwork found the water. Palm trees and cool water. Everything is happy.
Great work, Tiny Truck Team. Time to celebrate. Line up, Tiny Truck Team.
We work together.
High five, everyone. Great digging today.
Bye-bye. See you next time. Keep the water cool. The oasis is shining. Bye-bye, desert. See you later, Tiny Truck Team.